Like, do you see any use cases there as
Oh,
well?
we get agencies, yeah, a lot of agencies because, like, so for instance, one of the technical features that we have at Smartphone, which um, is a super geeky one, but is really good for digital agencies, particularly digital agencies that are running campaigns for other people, which happens a lot, right? They scale up by running campaigns. So we've got something that's it's phone number, a dynamic phone number insertion, it's called, right? And that's where you put a little bit of code in your website, and then say the agency is running a lot of Google ads, let's say, and they've got, you know, 3 different Google ads that they're doing, and a Facebook ad and something else. Well, actually, what we get, because with Smartphone, obviously most of our customers will buy unique numbers for each channel so that they can track when phone calls come in and they can really understand what the return on investment of each channel is. But we can also dynamically change the phone number on their websites or their landing pages based on the ads that they've clicked. And again, that means that they can be running these ads, a Facebook ad, they click through it, lands them to a landing page, and that phone number is going to be a unique one that's swapped in, which is their Facebook landing page phone number. And so they're capturing all that data automatically. They're able to report on it. And from an agency point of view, they can scale that up for all their customers using Smartphone, because we allow them to add as many domains as they want. So if they're scaling their agency with high level, and they're running these sorts of campaigns, they can put all their customer websites inside and do all of those dynamic swappings and have it all reported on inside a Smartphone.
And it sounds like what you're describing is segmented phone numbers for each specific channel, right? Like, so what are the benefits of that if I'm an agency? Like, well, does it, or does it even matter? Do I just put the same number for all the Facebook campaigns,
Absolutely not. And that's not just because I want you to buy more numbers from me. Absolutely no, I absolutely not, because you want to be able to, for an agent, from an agency point of view, one of the core things is to be able to report back to your customers where they're getting return of investment, right? That is a fundamental. And I ran a marketing agency for a lot of years. So a fundamental thing you have to do is report back. We've spent this much money and this is what we've returned. Inbound, what we call inbound tracking numbers, assigning an inbound tracking number, a phone number to each channel, each source like that, means that you have an absolute understanding of what leads are coming from what channel, and then you can marry up what money you've brought from that and give a very accurate understanding of exactly the return on investment. If you only, in fact, I was at this conference 3 days ago and someone asked me this exact question, and because they were using the same phone number on their radio ads and their door knocking leaflets that they were leaving behind. And I said, so how do you know where they came from? Well, we have to ask them. It's like, well, why? Why wouldn't you put a number on this leaflet and a different number on the radio? Then you're going to know and you'll be able to report it. And that's a critical thing. And